Hello, and welcome to Data247. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for an account with us, fund it, and then start processing transactions. So the first step is to sign up. Click here to sign up for a free account or free trial. The free trial adds a small amount of money to your account for testing purposes. If you find you need additional money for testing, just open up a help desk ticket and we will add additional funds for you. So before you begin, we recommend that you read our terms of service and privacy policy before signing up. Then you will need to enter a valid email address, which will serve as your username when logging in. Then enter a password and click Next to continue the sign-up process and create an account. So once you are registered, you can log into your account here. As you can see, you have a beginning balance of 15 cents for testing purposes. Now, Data247 is a prepaid service. This means that you always need to have money in your account before you process transactions. So if you want to add additional funds, you would select Payments, Add Funds from the account menu. Once you add funds, your account will go from a trial account to a production account, and the charge is $12 a month plus transaction fees. So you can see a list of all the transaction fees under Payments Pricing. So here you can see all the lookup fees per service. So for example, TechStat is half a penny per lookup. A Pen 24/7 phone is 4 cents per lookup. So now let's go to the Add Funds page. Here you have the option of paying by credit card or PayPal. And you also have a few other payment options. So when you make a payment, you have the option of saving your payment information for easy one-click purchases. And this allows you to make purchases without having to re-enter all of your credit card information again the next time you need to add funds. The other option is to automatically recharge a certain amount whenever your balance falls below a certain dollar amount. So for example, if you wanted to add $100 to your account, when your balance falls below $50, you want to recharge that amount, another $100 to your account, then you can do that. And so that way your account will never run out of money. Please note that the monthly membership fees and the transaction fees come out of the same pool of money that you're adding here. So if it is the beginning of the month and you are adding $100, $12 will be deducted for the monthly fee, and you will end up with $88 in your balance, which you can then use for transactions. So once your account is funded, you can start to do some transactions. So let's go to the Transactions menu and select Manual Transactions. This page allows you to run transactions manually, one at a time. So for example, we can choose our TechStat service, enter a phone number, and here you can see your results. So this is a one-by-one manual entry service. Now if you want something a little more efficient, you can use our file upload utility under Transactions, File Upload. So here you can upload an entire file of data to us, and we will be able to process it using the service you select and send you back a link to the processed file. So let's say, for example, you had a spreadsheet of 100,000 phone numbers. You could upload that file, and we could process them and send you back a link to the processed file, so you don't have to type them in one by one using the manual transactions. So let's see how this works. Let's start by choosing the service we want. In this case, we will choose TechStat. And if you're a Successor Data customer, you can click here to say you are uploading a Successor Data format file. You will also need to enter a valid email address. And make sure that this email address is valid, because this is where the results will be sent to of your processed file. And then max number of records is an optional field. Let's say you had a large file of phone numbers and you wanted to process the first 1,000 of them. You could enter that number here. So let's click Continue, and it will bring you to the upload page to upload your file. Here it shows us that the service we selected is TextDat, and that the required field for this service is phone number. So the file that you upload in this case must contain phone numbers. Uploaded files must be in Excel or CSV format. If it is a text file, all data must be comma delimited with one line per record. So here is a very simple example of a text file called phonenumbers.csv. As you can see, it contains the names, email addresses, and phone numbers of 5 different contacts. Each contact is on a separate line, and their information is separated by commas. So I'm going to select this file, and then select Continue. It now shows me a preview of my file, and it tells me that the required field I need to select is phone number. So over here in this column, I will select phone number. I don't need to do anything with these other columns since TextStat doesn't require this information. So I'm all set. I just need to click Upload File, and I receive a success message saying I will receive the results via email once my file is finished processing. Finally, for our advanced users, we have API integration, which means you can use our API to integrate our services into your existing software applications. To learn more about how to integrate our services, check out our video tutorial titled the Data247 API. So that's how you get started with Data247. If you have any other questions, feel free to open a help desk ticket on our website. Thanks for watching.